Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zen Apex. First, connect your Zen Apex device to your computer using the micro USB cable. Next, download and install the latest Zen Studio software from the official website. It's crucial to then update your Zen Apex firmware to the most recent version for optimal performance and access to all features. This ensures your device is ready for seamless integration with your gaming setup, providing the best possible experience right from the start. Once Zen Studio is installed, launch the application and navigate to the Device tab. Here, you can select your preferred input and output protocols, such as PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, ensuring compatibility with your console. Take time to adjust sensitivity settings and customize button mappings to personalize your gaming experience. These adjustments are key to tailoring the device to your unique playstyle and preferences. Now, let's enhance your gameplay. Browse the extensive library of game packs available directly within Zen Studio. Once you've chosen your desired game pack or a custom script, simply drag and drop it onto one of the device's 8 available memory slots. To activate the game pack on your Zen Apex, press the left and right buttons simultaneously. This quick action loads your chosen configuration, ready for action. Finally, connect your Zen Apex to your gaming console using the provided USB cables. It's important to plug your primary controller into the Zen Apex's a 3-port for proper authentication and functionality. After everything is connected, launch your favorite game and thoroughly test your setup. This ensures all configurations, game packs, and scripts are working correctly, providing you with a competitive edge and an enhanced gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.